Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're positing the question, are there quote-unquote shell companies here in Thailand? And by shell companies, what are we talking about? Well, what I sometimes refer to, or I've seen referred to as umbrella companies or holding companies. People do ask me, do you have shell companies in Thailand? Well, sure. In the sense that you can set up a company to do what you need it to do within the bounds of legality. And under certain circumstances, it may be possible to have a company, for example, that owns another company or is just set up to maintain property holdings of various types, or is mostly just set up, in a structure to sometimes mitigate liability. But yeah, it could be a situation where you have a holding company or a shell company or an umbrella company which owns one or more other companies. Now, again, depending on circumstances, especially regarding foreign nationals, it may or may not be possible, for example, to have 100% foreign ownership of those type of companies. Depending again on circumstances, for example, the provisions of the US-Thai Treaty of Amity, it may be possible to have a company that might own another company, but again, the benefits of the Treaty of Amity may not flow through that shell company to the other underlying company. Again, we're kind of getting into the high weeds on this, and it's probably a good idea for those who are looking into having an entity to own or have an interest in other entities. Might be a good idea to contact a legal professional, gain some insight and guidance into how best to proceed.